R8SM comes with F121, F121 Pro, and this antenna of R8SM is broken, so we need to replace antenna in time. Otherwise, there may be problem on signal transmission. We have to replace the antenna of R8SM. First, we need to disassemble the battery holder at the bottom. And remove the top cover. Here is R8SM receiver. Take out the receiver. Here is double-sided tape. Unplug the collector. You can see the antenna is cut off. We need to replace it. To replace the antenna, we need to remove the heat shrink tube at first. Cut the tube carefully. Remove it. Uncover the sticker. Here is the part to solder the antenna. Here is the new antenna of R8SM. Remove the black glue. We need to desolder the old antenna first. Then solder the new antenna. And there are two soldering points. The front point is for feeder. We need to solder it in the central point. And the other one, antenna shield, is soldered in the outer part. Solder the central point first. The central point is soldered. Then solder the outer part. And this is how it looks after soldering the 2 points. Then put on a heat shrink tube. You can use a heat gun or a lighter to shrink the tube. Put on the sticker. Install the receiver back on the aircraft and collect the cable. Black cable is a negative pole, red cable is a positive pole. and the yellow keyboard indicates the sparse or ppm signal. Glue the receiver. Wrap the antenna. Put back the cover. And tighten the battery holder. And please power on the transmitter and receiver to test if there is no problem on signal transmission. If there's still any problem, the problem may come from wrong soldering or other parts of the receiver. You can replace a new receiver to have a try.